Hello guys, welcome back to another video of this channel. So today we have Type-C Kingston USB. This is 3.2 first generation USB. Before this we have already unboxed 3.2 Kingston USB. You can directly see from this link. So let's unbox this. Then we will see the speed of this USB in our laptop, in cell phone also. So let's unbox this first. So let's unbox our Type-C USB. So let's open this first from here. So here's our Type-C USB. So here you can see Kingston DataTraveler 70. This is 3.2 USB Type-C, and this is box. Nothing special mentioned. So let's cut this from here. Okay. So here is our Kingston. So here is our Kingston 128 GB Type-C USB. This is 3.2 USB and this is Type-C. You can see the plastic. And let's see what are other accessories are available in this box. One USB, one connector. So you can also use this as a USB. We have to add this. Now we can use on USB port also. But if we want to use on our Type-C or mobiles, we have to remove this. So these are items which was available in the box, in the packing. So let's take the speed of this USB in my laptop and on cell phone. So let's check. So let's check this USB speed into my Mac laptop. After that we will check my Android phone. So let's connect this first. I have already installed disk speed test software, and let's select our target device, Kingston, and the file size is 1 GB. So let's start. Now it is writing the data into our USB. So the initial speed is 12.1. It is reducing and increasing. Now it is 25, 26, 27, 28. It will take some time. So write speed is complete. Now it is reading the read speed. So read speed is almost 100 plus. So read speed is good, but write speed is very slow. So this is the speed of read and write. Read speed is 100 plus, but write speed is very low. So let's check this speed now on our cell phone. it is added. Now I have installed SD card tester application. From this we will check the speed of read and write. So we have to select file size. So 0.5 GB file is enough for the cell phone. So let's click on SD card. Now it will check write and read speed. Now it is testing. On the laptop it was almost 10 to 15 MB per second write speed, and read speed was 100 MB. So let's see. It will be same, I think, here. Now it is testing the read speed. Read speed is 30 MB, 30.4 MB, and it is reading. Done. So the write speed is 7.8 and read speed is 30.4 MB in the cell phone. So I don't think so it is really good speed. You can tell me in the comments that the speed is good or not, and if you like the video, please subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.